Hi class, my name is Brooke Hansen and I just wanted to briefly introduce myself. I grew up in Kaysville, Utah, as well as Las Vegas, Nevada. Um, I was able to serve a mission for the church in Melbourne, Australia. I love the Australian people and I just love their ease of life and so much of my life has been blessed because of my mission. There's just not a day that goes by that I don't remember an experience or a memory that has touched my life from those 18 months I spent in Australia. I want to share a little bit about my family. Here's a picture of my family. We like to go camping, and this is us returning from a camping trip. This is my husband, Shane. He serves in the Air Force, so we get to move around not very often, thank goodness, but we love the adventures that we get to have because of his career choice. This is my oldest son, Alex. He is a wonderful young man, and I'm so grateful to be his mom. We were only blessed with one daughter. This is Emily. She definitely is a bubbly personality and just kind of brings so much joy and happiness as well to our family. This is our little jokester, Rooster. His actual name is Andrew, but he prefers to be called Rooster. He's definitely a delight and will keep you on your toes. This is our youngest, Jaden. He has such a kind heart and such a gentle soul, and we just love and adore him. Some other things about our family. We are big Harry Potter nerds. We love to have Harry Potter marathons and make butterbeer and make wands, and frequently my kids will cast spells on one another, and it's just all around good family fun. Another one interesting thing about our family is recently we were able to participate in the Tucson Cultural Celebration, the temple open house, as well as dedication. The temple coming to our valley has been a huge blessing. We love going to the temple as a family. We love being able to serve there and to be able to bind families together, especially when we get to go as a family and perform those ordinances for other families. We just love the temple, and we're so very grateful to have one close to us and be able to enjoy the blessings that the temple brings. I hope you've enjoyed my introduction. I can't wait to see all of your introductions. I hope you have a great day and good luck in my class.